Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change to light mode on Whop. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are using Whop right now to actually go ahead and launch or participate in communities. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this, everyone, is that once you log into your Whop account, you want to scroll down to where you see your icon, your profile icon. So go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then from here, you're going to see these three icons. So right now it's set to auto. This is set to light mode. And then this is set to dark mode. So I personally like mine setting to auto so that it's during the day, it's at light mode, but then during at nighttime, it's set at night mode. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change to light mode on Whop. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But in addition to that, using Whop, it's been absolutely fantastic when it came to launching my communities and even participating in communities. But usually, if you spend so much time on Whop like how I do, changing the different light modes would definitely be beneficial. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and thanks so much for watching.